It's something to you. I fuck with you because you ride till the wheels fall off. And you make me cut all them other girls all off. Shorty, cause you hold me down. Yeah, you hold the crown. I got a real one by my side right now. And you ride till the wheels fall off.
For real. Welcome to the DK squad. And y'all don't mind the crowd. Like, I love for room. But anyways, let me show y'all my sauce. This is some dill butter sauce. I'll leave the recipe in the description. Woo! I was gonna do some Be Lovely sauce, and I've been eating some of it. I ain't even make that much. We got some crab legs. I ate one off here. I ate a couple. Okay, I got some over there. So we got some crab legs, some potatoes, and some shrimp. And hers right here. She ain't ate much. But baby, I've been turning mine up. And we got some over there. Right here. We got a lot more. A lot. So if I run out, we got more. So I ain't tripping. Period. So, period. Y'all can't see that. Y'all gotta see the view. Okay, and I got some water. Some lemonade water. Okay. So let's start eating these bad boy. She texting her boyfriend, y'all. I think. No. Oh, yeah. Eat some of these potatoes. So these are some jumbo shrimps, but my nanny had broke the tails off of them. Cause she be treating us like a baby. If y'all be watching my snap, maybe y'all. If y'all got me on Snapchat, y'all, as y'all see. Y'all can see. Look at that. Dang. I dropped that. Oh my god, I'm still gonna eat it. Like, we ain't got no good lighting in here, so. I'm gonna leave all our social media down in the what is called description. However you say that. I'll be watching videos every day and I still don't know how to say the word. That's dumb. Ooh, honey. I know. Kind of fool. You know you gotta do this right here, this part right here to crack this open. You should have washed them damn scissors off. You should have probably got her and some more shit on them. I did wash them off. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. Don't wash them scissors off. Then you just got them all on your plate. You don't. Them scissors been somewhere everywhere. On her, cutting her. She eating her, y'all. Ew, I ain't, because I ain't got no hair in my mouth. Eating her. She didn't want me to wash them off, but she wanted to use them. Yeah, but I ain't using them like that. Honey. Ooh, I got so tired and sleepy because I got full. Yes, we've been eating all day, y'all. She hadn't been eating much. I had pizza. She ain't gonna be able to 8 o'clock. I'm gonna speak on that story. Into that motherfucking club. Turn that music back on. Are you turning it back on? Who you thought I was? Talk to these folks. Shoot! What you drop? The best part? Damn, so I gotta switch it up. Y'all, so y'all probably wondered, like, I can't believe Kiana started a YouTube channel. Yeah, my friend Kanye, me and him, his name is Kanye. That's why it's called DK Squad. His name Doug Kanye. But he wanted he wanted to start a YouTube channel with me, and I wanted to start one too, but I just never wanted to start it by myself. So
Girl, it's her on these scissors, Ken.
What, hun? Girl, this came from the love.
Girl, you nasty.
Girl.
That is so nasty. I don't even want that. You can have that.
Girl. Where's some hair, honey?
Ken, I know you see this hair on these scissors. That is nasty. I told her you would eat her. I knew you would.
Be boo-booing her.
You nasty.
Yeah. She needs to come on right. She always on her phone.
I'm full.
Girl, you too much. I ain't gonna be full. I am going to. So, I'm gonna eat another shrimp. This is some good shrimp. We had bought some cooked. Ooh, something like that. We had bought some cooked shrimp. Well, she bought some cooked shrimp. And they were spoiled, so we took them back and got some raw ones. And my nana cooked these herself. So, yes, honey.
So he gave y'all money back?
Nope. He still gave us like some cent worth of shrimp. He kept taking them out the bag, trying to make it even. Cause this shrimp was $13.04 and the other one was $13.18. And you know, Yana had to get into it with him.
Oh, of course, she'll get to it. Everybody.
Yeah, I told the black man first. Cause she said, I said something to him first. And he act like he didn't hear me. Yeah, I'm not using the part with the hair on it, so don't come for me. I'm using this part. But this part has hair on it. So, period.
Damn. That's a big ass shrimp.
Y'all, don't get no shrimp from where we got shrimp from because we want to try to slay you.
You don't even know the name.
Cooks.
How you know?
Cause they never said it all day.
I guess. Oh.
What, honey?
I'm full.
No, we're gonna make it through this video.
I hear you know, Mom.
If you ain't, just don't eat. If when you get full, just don't eat. Just sit here because
That shrimp was good.
I know I cooked that.
Y'all one tastes different than all of them. I wish all of them tasted like that. This shrimp was fine.
This ball was good. Oh, this my sauce. I think I'm gonna start boiling it. Okay. Y'all go ahead and meet on Snap at Kiana_1. But most of y'all subscribe to my channel already. Got me on Snapchat. But yeah, see you. Yeah, look. So I'll be on you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Drink a little water. You won't be full no more. I think that's what made me full. Shouldn't be drinking it.
Shells.
Yeah. Look at them. Oh, I put this shit up there. We could have been did this video earlier. My papa was tripping. So who would have got home and did it? To eat in peace. And my sister be tripping too.
Who?
You got one sister.
Must be talking about your other sister.
Who?
Sorry, hold on.
I'm somebody too. I'm so full, y'all, but this shit is delicious.
I haven't ate that before. I heard they was good.
Yeah. Y'all,
I'm just so full.
I was gonna make some of the Be Lovely sauce, but she had put so much stuff in
I
there
didn't even tell him.
that I didn't like. So I was like, I'm just gonna make my own sauce. So I did. I'll tell y'all what I put in there. I have put 1/4 cup of butter. You can put however much you want. It just depends how much you want, because the butter is what's gonna make it. Ooh. But I put 1/4 cup of butter up in there, and I should put some brown sugar in there. Excuse me. But I put that, I think 1/2 cup of dill weed, I think. What you put how many dill weed you want? I put 3 cups. I put a lot of lemon juice in there. You really put 1/3 cup. But there wasn't enough lemon juice for me. So I was just putting it in there. And I put some garlic salt in there, and some lemon pepper, and some I think I had put some what's that stuff called? Oh, white pepper. I don't put that much white pepper in there though, because they're garlic. But the lemon pepper is optional. I just put it in there to give it a better booming taste. And that's how you make it. It's something else I put in there. I forgot. Knowing me, I probably put some extra stuff in there. But if I do another seafood mukbang, knowing I am, but like I'm gonna try to make that Be Lovely sauce. What's up, my Be Lovelies?